Hey peeps, and welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been a while, but today we're going to try to keep on doing these fall looks. I'm not really sure how it is going to work out. My sinuses are acting a fool right now, but let's go ahead and get started. You guys know we start out with the NYX white base, so we're going to apply that all to the eyes, and we're going to keep on going. Yes. Alright peeps, so we're going to try to start out with this James Charles palette. I'm not really sure what type of look I'm going for today, so we're just gonna, we're gonna freestyle this and see what happens. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's just try it. So we're gonna start out with this, I don't know if y'all can see, this pink base right here. Almost choked. And then we're gonna go in with this darker color right here. So let's start out with the pink base and I'll be back. So now we have the pink base right here. Oh, it's a lot. Just brush that off a little bit. And then we're just going to start. We're not going to take it past like the arch of the brow bone today. Because again, I have some type of look in my head. I don't know what we're doing. We're just going to do this and find out what happens. It's going to be real quick though because I ain't got time today. I just didn't. So... Okay, so now we're going in with this darker color, y'all. Like, I have no idea where I'm going with this look. So I hope that it comes out okay, because I'm a little scared. So we're going to go in with that darker color. Okay, it's getting a little bit dark. I have no idea where I'm going with this, people. All you can do is remain confident and hope that this comes out amazing. That's all you can do, kid. I mean, if it don't come out good, then hey, you just have to go to work in it. Oh, geez. Okay. Okay, I think that is enough of the darker shade. I'm going to apply it to the other eye, and then I will be back. So now we're going to take a smidget of black, and we're going to apply that right here, I guess, into the crease, like a little bit into that. I was going to say purple, but it's not purple. It's like a burgundy and a pink. So we're just going to apply that just to deepen it up a tad bit. Not too hard. You want to still be able to see your colors. And black is like super pigmented, so it don't take a lot, mama, to get up in there, okay? You just, that's it, that's it. And you just make it as dark as you would like. And I'm kind of like lifting up my head because I want it in the corner as well. So like up in here in that corner because I want it to be dark over there. And we're just, again, focusing right here where that arch is. Okay, so we're gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be right back, love. I've already done my cut crease. I'm now going to go in with like this light pink color right here. So basically, like those three colors at the end of the palette, 1, 2, and 3. Wait, that was 4. Hold on, it's early and I'm sleepy. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Those are the colors that we used on our eyes. Well, actually 4. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is it. That's all we used on our eyes today. Oh shit. Okay. Probably need to stop talking and just finish doing the makeup. Okay, so we're gonna apply this to wherever we did our cut crease. Just going to just build up on that so it's a nice pink. We are going to go in with like a little bit of shimmer. I'm still trying to decide which shimmer we're gonna go in with. It's actually glitter, so yeah, we're gonna figure this out. I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out. I'm a little scared, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Comes the scary part. So we're gonna try to apply glitter to this. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm gonna try to use my hand. I've already used the NYX glitter base or glitter primer or whatever. I'll put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take my pinky, that, and dip it into some glitter. Some random, oh shit, that might be too much. Might be too much. And then I'm just going to dot on my eyes. So hopefully this comes out okay, because I'm a little bit scared. Oh, that might be too much. Yep, it's too much. Oh, oh, I think I messed it up. Okay, we're just gonna wipe it off just a little bit, because again, we just want like a little bit of shimmer, not a lot, boo. Okay, all right, I can kind of see where it's going. Hopefully this goes well. You guys have to understand, like when I do my makeup, like I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Like we learning together. We doing stuff together because I have no idea. All I do is just apply stuff and I'm like, hey, I hope it comes out well because I'm not really sure. Just going to wipe that off because I want it to be like a scattered glitter, not really, you know, I don't know, like all together type shit. I think that is good. Now we're going to apply it to the other eye. I'm gonna wipe my hand off. Okay, gonna dip it back into the glitter glue and back into that glitter and just apply it to the other eye. Probably should have used my other pinky instead of trying to use this hand. So now I've done my foundation. I am now applying my concealer. Again, this is going to be the LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with the ColourPop. Y'all know I don't know what color that ColourPop is. I've tried to read it off to y'all before, and I don't know if that's the right name, but we're gonna go on top of that just to make the highlight pop out just a tad bit more. So we're gonna just do this, and yes, Okay. Sorry, I gotta stay focused, y'all. Is that a black streak? What the hell? Okay. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Okay, so I bought this brush. I'm not really, can y'all see? I'm not really sure. I've seen people use it. We're gonna try it today and see how it works out. So let's see. Okay, all right. Definitely getting all up in those corners. Okay, I see you, I see you. It's definitely easier to go up under the eye and down the bridge of the nose for sure. And do this side now. I mean, I kind of like it. We're gonna see how it lasts throughout the day. See if this is actually a good idea. Definitely easier to go in that area with this brush. Okay, okay. All right, all right. I mean, it just takes a little bit longer to blend out, but I kind of like it. Yeah, it just takes a little bit longer to blend out, but it definitely does work. I mean, from what I can see, unless y'all can see something else, you know. And it definitely does provide more coverage. Huh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. I don't know if I should do down the nose. Nah, we're just gonna stick to the regular sponge for that. So I'll be back and we'll start the contour and we'll be done, honey. So now I can't talk today. What I've been doing lately is I've been using the cream contour as well as the powder contour just to make sure that it sticks and it looks a lot better. So we start off with like a cream contour. Again, this is like a drugstore little product. I think I got this from my local beauty supply for like $2.99. So we start off with contouring with cream, the cream stick. Okay, and we're just gonna go all around the forehead, and then we're gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna take like an angled brush, and we're just gonna blend. To blend upwards, you don't have to, just your personal preference. I also like to do the cream with a powder because as you guys can see, it becomes like greasy or shiny or whatever. So if you do a powder to set it, it'll remain matte. Give you that matte finish that we all need. Okay, so now I'm going to contour the nose. As a matter of fact, I'll show you guys how to do the powder contour before I do my nose, because my nose is like a whole different surgical area. So again, we're starting out with the Black Radiance. I love this palette. I used it like one time. I do have a review on it in my other videos if you guys would like to check it out. It is fucking amazing. So we're gonna start out with that. You guys can see it like mats it up a lot. I like a deep contour, like a deep contour. So I don't mind that it's a little bit dark. I can always go in and clean it up later. I'm about that contour life. That's just me, that. You want to make sure that it's all blended, boo. And then from there, we're going to use this brown one. I don't know what it is about this, but it just brings your contour out like, oh my gosh. It makes that face look snatched, okay? Sorry I'm going fast, y'all. Y'all know I'll be late for work. If you guys would like me to start like adding the full videos of like my foundation routine and stuff, then just let me know. I didn't think you guys wanted to see it over and over and over again, so I stopped doing it. But if you would like to see that, make sure that you just tell me below and I can do that for you guys. No problemo. I just love this. Like, it's just, boo. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my nose. I'm gonna set, and then I will be back so we can go ahead and remove the setting powder, blah, 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 and, you know, just finish this look, you know. Because right now, these sparkles, I kind of like them. Okay, I gotta go. All right, peeps. So now we're going to wipe off our setting powder. Make sure it's blended out really good. Oh, camera's falling. Okay. Okay. Now that you have that wiped off, you want to go in with a little bit of blush. I think the eyes came out really well, people. I was a little scared. Camera keeps falling. Okay, so now we're going to go in and highlight. If my camera will stop freaking falling. Okay. Don't want me to be great. Don't want me to be great today. All right, so now we're gonna go in and highlight. I feel like it's slipping. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, it's just me. This little highlight palette I got from Ross. I don't know if y'all have a Ross close to y'all. I knew it was freaking slipping. Stop. Okay, so this highlight palette I got from Ross, it was like $4.99, but the glow in here, honey, is just amazeballs. Like you get some glowing popping off. Oh, y'all know I'm a sucker for some sick ass glow, boo. I just love me some glowing. Okay, we're gonna blend this out. Oh, boo. Just love it. Okay, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna set, oh shit, all right. Setting it. Okay. So I'm gonna go and do my hair and I'll be back to show you guys the finished product.